Hello dear student. Yes, so today onwards we are going to start our bridge course syllabus. So in that first part I told you that we are going to learn about the parts of speech. It is very important. Yes, so every grammar this is a base. Part of speech is a base. And in this we are going to learn about parts of means total 8 types of parts of speech, total 8 parts of speech. Yes, so very shortly we are going to see in this video, and again separate each and every thing we are going to learn in detail again. Yes, so today we are going to learn very shortly. So parts of speech. So you, for what you have to do, you have to take a pen and book, you have to point out it. Yes, so parts of speech. Let's see. So here see, there are 8 parts of speech. How many? 8. Which are they? Yes, verb, noun, adjective, adverb, pronoun, interjection, conjunction, and preposition. So these total 8 parts of speech. Got it? So already we are going to learn about we learn about the verb, noun, all those things. Here very shortly we are going to discuss. See here. Yes, how many? There are 8 parts of speech. Verb, noun, adjective, adverb, pronoun, interjection, conjunction, and preposition. So yes, these are 8 parts of speech. Now one by one we have to see. Let's see. So first is verb. Yes, so verb, it describes an action or experience. Yes, it describes the action and experience. Example, run, walk, push, and eat. Here the example is there, sentence is there. See, Sophie ran to school because she was late. So here ran is a verb because it is showing the action. Next one, John loves to bake cookies. In that, bake is a verb because it's showing the particular action, cooking action. Yes, next one is there, noun. Noun means what? Noun is a name of person, place, things, or idea. Here example, house, teacher, cup, and shop. Now sentence, my teacher is a very nice person. In this sentence, which is a noun? Yes, teacher, because it is a name of person. Here Amy, see here, Amy is going to see here, Amy is going to go on holiday to China. So here Amy is a name of, yes, person, and here China is the name of place. Next one is there, see, that is adjective. So what is adjective? Adjectives that describes a noun or pronoun. Example, short, beautiful, red, or old. So particular noun or pronoun, with the help of adjective we are describing. Here a sentence, see, Fatima has a huge house with 6 bedrooms. So here huge is adjective because it just explaining about the house. Next one, adverb. It describes a verb, an adjective, or an adverb. So the adverb tells us how often, how, where, or when. So here are some examples, slowly, yesterday, always. These are adverbs. So see example, Sophie is always late for school. Sophie is always late for school. So here always. Yes, it is showing the time. Late. Late is also adverb because it is giving more information about the verb. Last night I slept really well. So here which is the adverb? Yes, very good. Last night is the adverb here. Next one, pronoun. Pronoun what? It replaces the name of person, place, things, or ideas in a sentence. So which words comes under that? See here, I, she, are, they, it. These words, few examples of the pronoun. So here example C, sentence, Becky is a very nice friend. She always helps me with my homework. So here she, because here Becky we already use, and for that she is a girl, so we are using she. You can visit the shopping center at 1 o'clock. Here you is also pronoun here. Next one, interjection. Interjection expresses the strong emotion and is often followed by an exclamation mark. Usually these are using CR to show the emotions. Wow and oh. Here example, wow, the view is amazing. So wow, because here see exclamation mark is there. Hey, I have not seen you in a long time. So here hey, like that, oh, these words also will come there. Next one, conjunction. Conjunction connects words, phrases or clauses in a sentence. What it do? It connects the words and phrases. And, but, although and or, these are examples of the conjunction. Let's see one sentence. I like to watch the television and eat a popcorn. So here and, because here two activities are there, so these both are joining by and. My friend is very loud, whereas I am very quiet. So see, whereas is also conjunction. Next one is preposition. It describes the place, time or direction. It is used before a noun or pronoun. Preposition which are there? See here example, under, above, in, during. These are preposition. Now let's see one example sentence. See, the cat jumped over the box. So here over is a preposition. One more example you can see, get into the car quickly before we are late to school. So which one preposition here? See, yes, into the car. So into is preposition. Got it? Now your turn. So dear students, your turn. What you have to do? You have to write down one example of each parts of speech. Got it? So here, what we learn in today's class? Let's see a recap. So there are 8 types of parts of speech, which verb, adverb, adjective, pronoun, again interjection, and which one is there? See? Yes, so in conjunction and preposition, these are 8 parts of speech. Got it? Once again tell me, verb, noun, adjective, adverb, pronoun, interjection, conjunction and preposition. These are 8 parts of speech. So each and every thing we are using, and what is the use of that, with example we have already learned. So you just write down one example of each and every parts of speech. Yes, and then send it to me. Hope you all understood. So here we are going to, in today's class we learn very shortly. So again in the next class we are going to learn in detail of each and every part of speech, like verb. So which are the verbs, types of verb, action verbs, which are the helping verb. These all we are going to learn. Even noun, about noun also. Yes, and kinds of noun, even adjectives, adverbs, this pronoun, what are the kinds of pronoun, in interjection, how to use, where to use, then conjunction, okay, which are the examples of conjunction, even preposition. These all we are going to learn in detail in the next classes. Yes, so hope you all understood. This is the base. So what we have to do, you just point down in your notebook all those things, use of the verb, use of the noun, adverb, adjective, pronoun, interjection, conjunction and preposition. Even with that you have to write example, and even you have to write one example, means it is a sentence. Okay, sentence example using in the sentence. You have to write down one example for each and every part of speech. Yes, hope you all understood. Yes, just read carefully. Once again watch this video thoroughly. Yes, and whatever homework I given you, just complete it and send it to me. Yes, hope you all understood. S- Stay safe, stay happy. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.